how to do a half swipe on Instagram. So, what half swipe basically means is that if someone sends you a message and you want to read the message without them knowing that you've read it, without turning on the red receipt, basically, you do the half swipe. So, in order to do that, you open Instagram and go to your messages and choose the message that you want to do the half swipe on. So you're just going to do a quick open of the message and quickly swipe up on the previous messages that you have. So doing that, um, they will not know that you have opened the messages. So I'm going to show you right here. Open and then scroll up quickly. Doing this, the people, they will not know that you have read the message. So if I go back and do this really quick, they will not know that I have read the messages. There is another method that you can do is tapping on it and going on your recent app really quick. So if I tap on it and go to the recent app really quick, they will not know that I've seen the messages. So once again, if I go back and do this, do a quick swipe up and go to the recent app, the other person will not know that I've read the messages. And that's how you can do a half swipe on Instagram. Thank you for watching.